Hi everyone. Today what we're going to do is we're going to use the Instant Pot to make hard-boiled eggs. By far the best approach. I've been making hard-boiled eggs for many years. I've tried many different ways of making hard-boiled eggs, and this by far comes out with the best results. And peeling the shells is super easy. So let's go ahead and get started. To help, I have my lovely assistant here, and she's going to help us with making hard-boiled eggs. So for this recipe, what we're going to do is we're going to use 8 eggs. All right, let's go ahead and get this guy opened up. All right. Now I already have the tray in here. So why don't you go ahead and start placing those in there for me, will you? Okay, so we took the hard-boiled eggs out of the Instant Pot. They've been sitting in the bowl of cold water now for a few minutes. They should be ready to peel. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Wow, look at that. That shell just comes right off. I'm gonna put it into the water just to help make that peel nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. So there you have it. 8 hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot. Super easy to do, and it came out beautifully. Check back again for more Instant Pot recipes, and don't forget to subscribe. Look in our description. I've got links to my blog where I have other great tips and recipes and reviews. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone. Today what we're going to do is we're going to use the Instant Pot to make hard-boiled eggs. The Instant Pot by far is the best way to make hard-boiled eggs. Been making it for many years now. I've tried many different approaches. This approach is super easy and you get the best results. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everyone. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the Instant Pot to make hard-boiled eggs. Now by far,
why aren't you going to make hard-boiled eggs? Why do you have to make hard-boiled eggs? They're just hard-boiled eggs.
Hi everyone. Today what we're going to do is we're going to use the Instant Pot to make hard-boiled eggs. The Instant Pot by far will make hard-boiled eggs the best. I've tried many different approaches over the years, and by far this is the best way. The peeling of the shells, super easy. Okay, so I have my lovely assistant here to give me a hand. So what we're gonna start with is, we're gonna do a recipe with 8 eggs for this one. What happened? Let's try that again. All right, so to help us today, I have our lovely assistant. And for the recipe, we're gonna make a, yes, thank you. So, we took the... Alright. Did you see how super easy that was?